What's up, guys? MTG District here again with another box opening. We're doing Core Set 2020. This is a pretty decent box. It holds pretty well value. There's a lot of like $5 cards, $4 cards, $6 cards. It's pretty well averaged out through the box. So I figured I'd just go ahead and test this one out and see how we do. If we do decent, maybe I'll do a deck build and give you all a little insight on how to build a deck with this and see what the cards will return. Maybe I'll get another box again. All right, guys, here we go. Nice little box there. See that? Okay. Three stacks here. All right. So, I guess I'll move that over a little. All right, let's start, guys. First pack. Okay. Let's get rid of all these uncommons. All right. Set our uncommons there. And we're in our commons. Sorry, uncommons. And we'll set those there. And then our first rare. Nothing good yet. I'll set like that. Okay. Get rid of these commons. All right, we're in the uncommons. Brightborn, Cutthroat. Cavalier of Gales. Okay, so our first mythic. Oh, Temple of Epiphany. Okay, so we have a foil. First foil rare. All right, nice. Not bad at all. Steel Overseer. Put a +1/+1 counter on each artifact creature you control. That's going to be really good in a strong artifact deck. Okay. So far, not too shabby, guys. Gravedigger, Ancestral Blade, hardcover, Leyline of Abundance. Okay. All right. All right. Season of Growth. Possible Purifying Light. Dungeon Geist. So another rare. No foils. Nothing crazy on that pack. Okay. Uncaged Fury, Scholar of the Ages, Cerulean Drake, Kenthis the Hidden Hand. Okay, Mythic number 2 for the box. And we have a foil common. Okay. Uncaged Fury again. There's a lot of duplicate on this. Aether Gust. Okay. Salvager of Ruin. Okay. Planner Cleansing. Destroy all. A board wipe. Okay, cool. Alright. We got a board wipe. This is a tough one here. Okay, I got it. Siegebreaker, Portal of Sanctuary, Woodland Champion, Bag of Holding. Whenever you discard a card, exile that card from your graveyard. Draw a card, then discard a card for 2. 4, sacrifice it, and return all cards exiled with Bag of Holdings to the owner's hand. Okay. And we got another foil. Foil uncommon. Diviner's Lockbox. Okay. Disfigure, Manifold Key, Blood-Soaked Altar, Agent of Treachery, okay. Leyline of Sanctity, nice, and a foil. Okay, guys, that's a good pull. Okay. So we have a Colossus Hammer, Wolf Rider's Saddle, Ember Hauler, and a Dread Presence. Okay, nothing crazy there, guys. That was a dud. Okay. Gruesome Scourger, Empyrean Eagle, Thought Distortion, Shifting Ceratops as the rare. So we get 1 good pull and 2 dud packs, I should say. Alright. Another Colossus Hammer, Looming Shaman, Mask of Immolation, Chandra, okay, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Evolving Wilds, okay. So, pulled one of the Chandra cards, that's not too bad. We got the Eagle, War Chief, Overcome, and a Temple of Triumph. Okay. Cryptic Caves, you got the Howling Giant, Risen Reef, Drakusith Maw of Flames. That's a decent dragon, okay. And we have a foil behind it. Squad Captain. So, just a common. All right. Overgrowth elemental. Ley line of combustion. Okay. Are we gonna get all the ley lines? Evolving wilds in a foil. Bloodfell caves. Okay, Fry, Loyal Pegasus, Salvager of Ruin, and the Chandra. Okay, Awakened Inferno. Nice, guys. Nice. Okay. Third mythic of the box, and it's a good one. Herald of the Sun, Disfigure, Diviner's Lockbox, Night Pack Ambusher. That's not good, but there's a foil behind it. Yarok's Finlurker. Just an uncommon. Okay. Definitely a good Chandra pull, guys. We got two of them. Not the same ones, but different Chandra cards. They're both good value, though. Very good value. Okay. Master Splicer. Blood for Bones. Yarok's Finlurker. Tail's End. Counter targeted activated ability, triggered ability, or legendary spell. That's not terrible. You can definitely see that being used. Okay. Let's get rid of these common uncommons. Portal Sanctuary, Ancestral Blade, Corpse Knight, Wake Root Elemental as the rare. Okay. And a Sedge Scorpion as the foil. Another foil uncommon, common, yeah, common. So the foils haven't been too much of a craze on this box yet, but we do have 3 mythics right now, so not bad. All right. Brightborn Cutthroat, Devout Decree, Tombbound Lich, Legion's End as our rare. Okay. I'm just gonna move those after this. Unchained Berserker, Mask of Immolation, Renowned Weaponsmith, Elvish Reclaimer. Okay. Alright, let's move some of these commons, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the video. There's a decent stack. We still got a little under half the box left. Not too bad for a half of the box so far. Can say that. Okay. Scheming Symmetry is the rare. Choose 2 target players. Each of them searches their library for a card, then shuffles their library and puts that card on top. So it's a tutor for 1 mana. That's not bad. Tutors are always nice. I mean, even if it doesn't hold value, that's a good budget tutor if you need it for a deck. Drawn from Dreams. Okay. Lightning Stormkin, Angel Vitality, Rule of Law, and Sephora Sky's Blade is our rare. You may pay 1 white and tap 4 untapped creatures you control with flying rather than pay this spell's mana cost. Okay, that's pretty cool for a 7/7. Flying lifelink. Other creatures you control with flying have indestructible. That's pretty strong. It's high on mana cost, but if you do the 1 tap and tap 4 untapped creatures, like, that is crazy. Okay. Loyal Pegasus, Yarok's Wavecrasher, Diamond Knight, Leyline of Sanctity again. I think we have 3 of those now. 2 of the regular and 1 foil. I mean, duplicates are nice, but I wish it was like a Chandra or something. Okay. Get the Dragon, Avocile, Woodland Champion, and a Temple of Silence is the rare. And a foil island. Nah. 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 Okay. Another Isle, Purifying Light, Aerialist, a Johnny, Strength of the Pride. Okay, another Mythic. 4th Mythic, guys. Not bad. Looming Shaman, Scampering Scorcher, Spectral Sailor, and a Glinthorn Buccaneer is my rare. And we got another foil common, Boneclad Necromancer. Okay. Alright, everybody likes Negate. That's always nice. It's not worth anything, but it is nice. Pattern Matcher, hardcover, Moldervine Reclamation, Dungeon Geist, Dismal Backwater. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 packs left, guys. Well, 7. About to be 6. Not bad so far. Be nice to pull another Mythic. The Caves, Ringleader, Leyline of Abundance again. Yeah, we're getting abundance. Okay. Veal of Summer, Fry, Scuttlebutt, and a Temple of Malady. There's a foil behind it. Ah, another uncommon, okay. Isolation, Ronodon, Mage, Dread Presence. Ah. Yeah, I'm dreading his presence. Twice fold now. Alright. It's okay. Still got some packs to go, guys. Still pull some good cards. Keep the high hopes. Chandra. It's a common one. I'll have to check. That might be worth something. Temple of Epiphany. Okay. Another. Keldon Raider. Another foil common. Double and Village Broker for Blood. Broker of Blood, sorry. It's expensive. Pay 2 life. Target creature gets -1/-1 until end of turn. Whenever you lose life, draw that many cards. Oh, that's why it's so expensive. Okay. Okay. Alright. 2 more packs, guys. The final 2. Final 2. What will we get? Okay. Warlord. Season of Growth. Ley line of Anticipation. I think I've gotten almost every ley line of the colors. I'll have to double check that, but I'm almost for certain. Okay. Last pack. Please. Pull Mythic. Pull Mythic. 1 more Mythic. 4 is okay. 5 would be great. Okay. Manifold Key. Altar. Mystic Forge. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I want to check that real quick. I'm going to go through. There's 1 ley line. Here, let me move this out of the way. Our 4 mythics. I'll leave those up there in view. Okay. So we have 1 ley line. We have Ley Line of Abundance, Sanctity, Combustion. There's another Sanctity. Okay, now we're missing 1, just 1 of the ley lines, but that's pretty cool, guys. All right, well, that's all for the box. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love the follow back. All right. Thanks, guys.